Here we have some green plantain that we're going to fry Jamaican style with some stewed codfish on the side. And this is how we do it. So first, we're going to cut off the ends of the plantain. Like so. And we're going to cut them 3 equal pieces. Just like so. Then we're going to peel our plantain, like so. And guys, this is a lovely Jamaican dish. It's popular in Jamaica also. Fried green plantain with stewed codfish on the side. It's very delicious. Let me know if you guys try this. Tell me in the comment section how it was. Okay? Stay tuned guys for the end result. Now we're going to pour our oil in a pot and let it heat to medium high. Then we'll fry our plantain. Check it out guys. We're going to let this heat it up for at least 10 minutes. Now we're going to fry our plantain 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Stay tuned guys for the end result. Now we're going to check on our plantain to see what they're doing. So they're coming on guys. They're going to be golden brown. So this will take another 30 seconds. And then you can take them out and press them and refry them. Stay tuned. Now it's time to take out our plantain because look at it guys. They're golden brown. This is how we want them to be. Golden brown. Yeah. Now check this out guys. This is how we want them to be. Just like so. Or we put them on a paper towel for them to drain and cool down. And then we're going to press them, salt them, and then refry them, Jamaican style. So now we're going to press our plantain. And guys, if you're going to do this, make sure you save the plantain skin, because this is how we press our plantain. We save the skin to press them in the skin. Okay, check it out. This is how we do it. You press. This is the result when you press them, like so. We're going to press again. Press. Just like so guys. Just like so. And then we're going to refry them. We're going to salt them and refry them. Now we're going to turn on our heat to medium low and refry our plantain just like so. Whew. This is going to be so good. Now Now we're going to fry this for 1 minute. Stay tuned, guys. Now that they're floating, we're going to take them out because they're done. Now it's time to salt them. Ooh, look at that color, guys. So pretty. This is going to be so good. Check it out, guys. Check out these plantain. Look at the color. Now we're going to salt our plantain. Lightly salt them. Just like so. And each sides. So you flip the plantain. Salt the other side. Lightly salt your plantain, guys. Rub it in. I'm going to let this sit and rest for at least 2 minutes. Right here we have 2 pounds of codfish that we'll be adding to our green plantain, fried green plantain. But first we have to wash the excessive salt from our codfish. I'm going to wash off the salt from the codfish. Just like so. Then we're going to put it in a pot to boil. Because guys, even though I'm washing off the salt from the codfish, it will still have a lot of salt. So we have to boil out the salt. And guys, we're going to boil this 3 times just to get out the excessive salt from the codfish. I'm going to wash it one more time. Oh guys, trust me, there's a lot of salt in this codfish. That's the reason why I'll be boiling my codfish 3 times. Stay tuned for the end results, guys. Now I'm going to pour some water in my pot. Boil the codfish. Put the codfish in the pot. And guys, we're going to boil this codfish for at least 15 minutes to get out the excessive salt, okay? So let this boil for 15 minutes, then you re-boil it again 2 times for 15 minutes again to get the excessive salt from out the codfish, okay? Then after you finish boil it, we're gonna cook it down. Stay tuned for the end results. Here it is, guys. My saltfish has boiled 3 times. Now it's time to take the scale off and give it the final cook. There it is. In a separate pot. And this is hot, guys, real hot. Super hot. I'm going to take the scale off and then pick it up and cook it for the final time. Stay tuned. Now it's time to pick our sawfish up like so. This is what I mean. I said pick up our sawfish, guys. For those who do not know, okay? I know all the Jamaican out there know what I'm talking about. So while I'm picking up my sawfish, I'm moving all the bones. So this is what I mean when I said pick my sawfish up. So if you guys gonna try this recipe, you have to take the step that I take. These are all the bones. Yep. But if you guys use the boneless codfish, you guys can skip this step, like to take out the bones. Sometimes the boneless codfish has 1 and 2 bone inside of it, you know what I mean? So if you want to move, if you want to make sure, you can just go through it a second time, okay? Yeah. There it is, guys. Taking out the bones, taking out the bones. Looking for bones. But there it is, guys. This is what I call picked up sawfish. Now I'm gonna cook this down in all my vegetables. Stay tuned for the end result. But here we have some vegetables that we're gonna cut up to cook our sawfish with. So right here we have tomatoes, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, and 2 small onions. We're going to wash the onions, the vegetables. Garlic to the rest of my vegetables. So here we have it, guys. This is all our vegetable. This is all our vegetables that we'll be using to cook down our codfish. And as I said before, this is a nice morning breakfast. Green fried pressed plantain with codfish, with stewed codfish. Stay tuned and see the end result. I'm gonna add some oil in my preheated pot. And guys, I'm using some olive oil. I'm gonna let my oil heat it up for at least 1 minute. My stove is on medium high, so within 1 minute my oil should be heated up. And I'm gonna add all my vegetables in the pot, and then I'll start adding my codfish. Okay, So my pot is already heating up. So I'm going to add all my vegetables that I cut up to my oil. Cooking fast, guys. I'm going to let these vegetables saute for 2 minutes. Then I'll add my hot fish, my vegetables. I'm just going to keep on stirring my vegetables. They'll saute for 2 minutes. I'm going to add my hot fish. Okay, stay tuned. My vegetable are sauteed for 2 minutes, and I'm going to add my hot fish to my vegetable. I'm going to mix in my hot fish and my vegetable. So how pretty it is, guys. Look how pretty this is. I'm going to add some black pepper. Add some black pepper. A little more. I'm going to stir that in also. Give it a fold. Give it a fold. Give it a fold. Let this cook for 2 minutes, guys, and it should be ready within 2 minutes. Stay tuned for the end results, guys. Here it is, guys. Fry press green plantain with stewed codfish. Check it out. Look good, huh? Please like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming content. One love. Bless. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Peace out.